You know this term, Panchanga Bhakti? 5 limbs of bhakti. They're mentioned in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu by Rupa Goswami Prabhupada. Twice. He says, Alpa Sparsha. Alpa means little bit. Niha Vikramo Nashashti Pratyavayo Navidite Swapamapya Siddhamasya Chayate Mahato. Krishna is telling in 2nd chapter of Gita, maybe verse 40. He says, Swapam apya siddhamasya. A little contact with Dharma, Paradharma, Bhagavad Dharma, Sanatana Dharma, Vaishnava Dharma. Not this Lokic Dharma, this Chaturvarga, Karma Kanda. Little contact with the Vaishnava Dharma, Paradharma, then no more fear. Save you from the fear of Yamaraj or going to hell, or animal birth. Viha Vikramana. So this swapam. So Rupa Goswami is saying, swapam, sparsha. These panchangas, swapam, sparsha, bhav, upajaya. A little contact with any one of these 5 practices and angas, bhakti angas, will bhava bhakti, intense feelings of attachment, love and dedication and fixation on Krishna will arise in the heart by a slight touch with Brajadam, Mathura Vasastale, a slight touch with the holy name, Nam Sankirtan, a slight touch with the sadhus, Sadhu Sangha, a slight touch of the Bhagavatam. Bhagavat Shravan Rasika Bhakta Sahasanga. To hear the Bhagavatam in association with advanced devotees. Rasik Sang, as they say in Hindi. Rasik Sang. The A is Rasik Sangha, Sang. And Thakurji, Alpa Sparsha Thakurji, a little touch of Thakurji, Radha Damodar, Banki Bihari, Radha Raman. Once when I were doing seva in Radha Damodar in 1989, we sat down on a piece of paper. We were trying to appreciate the Goswamis and their puja and their dedication and their love and attachment. So I calculated at that point the puja of Radha Damodar had been going on continuously without any break for something like 350 years or 400 years. So I multiplied 400 years times so many days times 8 artiks a day, 8 offerings a day or 7. It came out to like 400,000 offerings, 400,000 artiks or something. Unbelievable. And I thought, wow. And Damodar at that time he had a flute that was broken, the flute was bent, and it had a shabby curtain. It was a very shabby curtain. It was all tattered curtain when they opened a curtain for darshan, and where ISKCON was all shiny and looking beautiful and everything pakka new. I thought, okay, that's fine. 20 years old, but this is 400 years. Appreciate that bhav, that dedication, that sincerity, the unbroken line, Father to Son, the Father to Son, the Son, the Father to Son. Unbelievable. So this is swapam sparsha, bhava pujaya. Slight touch with Thakurji. Sri Murti Seva is the term in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. So live in Vrindavan, chant the holy name, worship Thakurji, hear the Bhagavatam, associate with the sadhus, and living in the Dham. That's the Panchanga Bhakti. Right? So how to increase my relationship with Vrindavan, how to increase my attachment to Vrindavan is to go and visit all the temples and pray and understand about Thakurji and interact with all the members of his family and what prevents all of this from happening. He says alpa sparsha. Alpa means a little contact, little touch. Bhava will come. If bhava is not coming, that means aparad. Thakurji aparad, Brijvasi aparad, Jiva aparad, Kuta aparad, Bandhara aparad, Shastra aparad, Vaishnava aparad. So this Vrindavan, Brajavas is like a razor's edge. You can get bhav very quickly. You play it right. If you don't play it right, you'll get many rebirths. Many rebirths. And 2 B's. Bhav or birth. You get bhav, no birth. If you don't get bhav, then birth. So it's purity of purpose, purity of motivation. It must be nishta in our goal. Of the five Panchanga Bhakti, the most important one is sadhu sangha. Because it's in a sadhu where all the holy tirthas, it's in the second canto, Yudhisthira glorifying Vidura. The first canto. All the holy tirthas, all the Dhamma is inside the sadhu. The holy name is inside the sadhu. Govinda Vishram. Narottam Das Thakur says Govinda Vishram. Govinda is resting in the heart of the sadhu. And the Bhagavat is in his heart and mind. He speaks the Bhagavat. He opens his mouth, comes the Bhagavat. Bhagavat Amrit Nadi. Bhagavat Amrit Nadi. The river Nadi of nectar. So seek the sadhus, and you'll get the Dham, you'll get the Nam, you'll get the Bhagavatam, and you'll get Thakurji. You'll get Krishna. You find genuine sadhu, you attain Krishna. Sadhu darshan, without offense, gives you Krishna's darshan.